Welcome to Camp Ely, your home on the Connecticut River. A property truly one of a kind in so many ways. Your lasting legacy begins here and will continue for generations to come. The stately main home is an antique brick cave dovetailed with an expansive cedar-clad addition. It consists of 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a well-appointed great room ready for entertaining. The 1900 schoolhouse has been expanded and renovated and is perfect for a caretaker or as a guest home. Situated across the property is a large workshop and an artist's dream studio, an inspirational space for ideas both big and small, with an office overlooking the studio below. Camp Ely is the Vermont riverfront retreat of which you've been dreaming. An idyllic and an enchanting place in which lifetime memories are forged. Welcome home.